help you?
My name is Harold Lear. I live at 1020 Park Avenue. I'm having a heart attack. My doctor's name is Russell Grant. I'm too weak to find his number. Please call him and tell him to come right away.
Sir, I can't call your doctor. This is strictly an emergency service.
This is an emergency.
I can transfer your call to the emergency operator. She'll be able to dispatch an ambulance.
Bill! 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 Get me to the emergency room. I'm having a heart attack.
I'll get an ambulance, doctor.
No time. Can't.
Robot.
Okay, start like these stats. Give him Get an ECG right away. Don't worry. Family here?
Dr. Lear? Dr. Lear? We need some admitting information. Next of kin. Wife?
She's out of the country.
Children?
A son in England and a daughter.
And her name?
Judy.
Phone number?
I can't remember.
We must inform someone.
Better find my wife. If I die without telling her, she'll never forgive me.
Allô, New York? J'ai Madame Lear ici. Mr. Knapp, go ahead.
Martha?
Barney, what is it?
Well, it's that Hal is feeling a little... He had this little...
Heart attack.
It's nothing much.
You're lying to me.
No, I'm telling you, he's complaining because he can't play tennis tomorrow.
I'm getting the next plane back. What hospital?
Stuyvesant.
I'll call.